I finally got my Auxito Yellow LED Fog lights for my 21 RAV4 TRD. But it didn't work for the 21 TRD. Fog light housing is sealed. But that's not a problem. Shout out to Yoda Pew Pew for giving me his OE fog housing from his XLE. Now I can change the LED fog lights to this Auxito Yellow LED Fog lights. Now let's see how it looks. See the difference? Definitely a lot brighter than the OE fogs. Check the link on my bio for discount code. Get yours now from Auxito, one of the top LED retailers on Amazon.